Welcome back, folks, and let's analyze for the coming week how the market's going to behave. What we have done last week is kind of duration going down and up. There was a possibility for it. I was expecting downside, because I am bearish for the moment until 400 is not touched. But being bearish right now, we are back in the bull zone, so all bets are off towards bear side. So stating that, not a financial advice. Let's see where market is going to go this coming week. What I am expecting. So what I'm expecting, very clearly, we have one support line, another support lines. Many supports means you have to buy on a pullback. Is it going to pull back? I don't know, but that'll be a good long entry around 420.78. A good entry around 419.2 and absolute entry around 417.4 and 5. Will we see that? I don't know, but if we see, definitely we have a nice, pullback, and the V, what market is playing off late, not off late, for quite some time now. It's a V always, V always. So yeah, expect something around 419 area to 426 for the week. If we go past and test this, below this line, we are super bear. When, how, I have no clue. So, but play what you see and what is in front of you. So I have analyzed, and what to me looks like we are still in the bull zone. Only thing, even the pullback, is what Q is talking about. And Q is right now in the neutral zone. As long as we are below 335.50. Over that, Q is going to shoot 342.5, 342.15, and maybe all-time high. And that'll be on the card. We have broken down this, broken out from this trend here, and which is telling you a bull case even for the Qs. Can Q do a pullback to this trend line and then bounce? Yes, it can, which means Q should be very long entry around 328.80 and maybe 331. So this particular gap here, those are filled. Will it continue upward march? Right now, if you see, this is ahead. So until we have a clear breakout from here, you can't be super bullish on the Qs. Target is 342. Upside right now over 335.50. Below 333.40, we are going to test 328.80. That is my projection for the week. Microsoft kind of tried to break out, break free. You can say it could be a breakaway gap. If that stands true, we are going to test this high of 261, 262 in Microsoft. So Microsoft can play like this, or Microsoft can still stay under and try and go and test this support, which will be super bullish, 237 area. That should be the absolute bottom if we see that. Right now, as long as we are below this trend line, I am a little bearish, but come Monday, we open green. There's no bear case. We are going to 260. How about Apple? Apple is almost about to break out again. Again means Last week it was bearish, but now it has come in the bull zone. Can it hold? Time will tell, but right now it's a beautiful kind of long setup in Apple, if you are seeing. And the Apple target could be 134.74. Break that. We are going all the way to 138, 139 this week. When I say 138, 139, why and where is, yeah, it's playing games. So there's one area and two area, your target areas are. So these are the upside view. The downside can be significant. That'll be bad for the overall market. So hope Apple continue its run, and we'll see. Also, same with the Amazon, which is looking bearish, can bounce green tomorrow and go higher. We can go to 261 below two. I'm still in Microsoft. Amazon. Yeah, so Amazon is still kind of underneath 33, 32. We are still bearish. Break past that 33, 32 target is 34, 38, about $100 move for the week, which is not a huge move. This is your support line. Can do a test like tomorrow, like test this line, and then the week we end up here. Break this line. I am bearish towards first target 31.58, second target easily doable 3,000. 3,000 will be a good entry long. And the entry long again here where we are is 33.16. So I think 33, 34 will be your good entry long for $100 move on the upside. And I'm going to adjust it. Yep. So 33, 32, 33, 34 can take you to 33, 34, 40, which will be good. But the key is every kind of chart, be aware that left shoulder, head, and this bounce can make it a right shoulder, which will not be nice, but then, play what you see, nothing to add to it. PayPal. PayPal is having nice higher low, and higher low. If that stands true, higher low is, you can say this, this, this. What does it mean? And right now, you cannot say higher high either. So have a little bit choppiness in it, but I'm pretty sure that is what it is making. So we can look forward towards this area and then boom up or boom down. But right now, if I have to see these kind of so many red candles and increasing red volume does not give me huge confidence, and so I would say stay away. You can play because this huge down, there will be a bounce which is due, and you can play up to 264 area, which is kind of great if you want to. I will avoid because there's so many resistances right now. So Facebook, and Facebook has made a huge run after the earning. It's still kind of a little bit choppy, going higher, so we are in this range. Below this line, I am bearish towards 290 area. Above this, I am expecting it to go to all-time high one more time. Google, bullish of the tech of all, because you see this breakout is, if it is a breakout gap, and then you can start targeting about 2384, 2441. Come below under this line, which will make bearish for Google, bearish for market. But these are kind of targets what you can look for. This is going to be a bullish week with a smaller pullback in the SPY, and then we will head higher. That should be all for this particular week plan. I will try to do a review and give a more clear plan from week coming with which strike is kind of good for the long entry, and where to take your profits and book your profits, where to set your stops and think like that. That might take a little bit longer for the videos, but that'll be worth it if we have a very clear plan telling which strike is better. So my analysis also not based on only this much. There's kind of a lot of thing goes inside where I am kind of looking at it. So if I give more kind of precise the calls, the entry, stops, targets, uh, and then we can see how good it's behaving from, like, if you start with 2K or 4K, and then you can see how it is moving forward with your money. So that will be documented on literally every week. I'm going to document those spreadsheet, which I'll be sharing. If the entry was successful, if there's no entry, that will be no trade. So there will be two spreadsheets. One will show the entry, stop, targets. Another one will show the actual trades if we get an entry. If we don't get an entry, that's not a trade. That will not be counted. Uh, the moves are not counted. So we have to really wait for the opportunity when we hit our targets. So thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead, click on the like, subscribe bell icon so you get a notification. Thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. Wonderful trading week ahead. Wonderful week with your friends, family, everyone. Bye-bye for now. See you next week. Thanks. Bye-bye.